Okay, today I have a Schlage type K-lock 5-pin from Luke. It does have a stop inside on each side where the key will only turn a certain amount. It will not go all the way around. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. It's very drastic, way deep cut for a Schlage lock. But this does have a Schlage Keyway, but it's fairly open, and it has to go into a deep false set to open it. If you do not get that deep false set on the first round of pins, you might as well just hang it up and start over again. You got to get that pin 1 set first, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, okay, we missed the pin on the first round, so we need to reset. It's very hard to get into that deep false set. You have got to get pin 1 first. Okay, there's pin 2. Okay, you've got to get pin 1 set, the first thing, and it's going to have to be set first, or you cannot get any of the other pins to set. Alright, there's pin 2. Okay, we lost the tension wrench. It went into the deep false set, was what we're looking for. Okay, there's a little bit on pin 5. Okay, see if we can get this pin set now. Okay, there's that one set. I believe that was pin 2. Now let's get pin 5 set now. Okay, there's pin 5. Let's go back up to the front now. Okay, and it's open. Alright, let's gut this thing and see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, since I have the key for it, I'm going to lock it back before I can get that clip off a little easier. See if we can get it off. Okay, got the clip off. Alright, we're going to try to pull these pins out. Let's get the camera down so we can see a little better. Out this way. Okay, there's pin 5. We'll look at it a little closer in a moment. Pin 4. Okay, there's pin 3. pin 4, and there's pin 5, or pin 1, I'm sorry. Okay, let's lay that down and let's look at the okay, all the bottom key pins are in. Okay, on the plug, he has threaded number 3 and 4. The other 3 look standard. Looks like he may have a little ridge on number 5. The other 2 looks standard. Okay, let's look at the Bible. Okay, he's got looks like number 3 and 4 threaded on the Bible. Got a spring stuck in. Let's get it out. Okay, 3 and 4 is threaded on the Bible, and the rest of them are not threaded. Okay, let's look at the plug again. On these plugs, anytime you put these type of flywheel type pins in it, which this one has 1, you want to make sure that these extra little holes are plugged off just in case they line up. If they line up with the wrong spot, that flywheel pin will sit inside of this pin and lock it up, and you cannot get it out without taking the pins out through the top. Okay, let's look at these pins a little closer. Alright, this has the flywheel type pin and a standard pin, a spool and a standard, a ASA type pin, and serrated key pin. This has a serrated pin at the top, and this has something similar to a mushroom type spool. This is just a standard key pin, and this is a looks to me like a screw that has been cut off. It's got part of the Phillips head still left on it, so that's a screw. Alright, Luke, I appreciate you sending this lock to me. I know that I had to make a couple of modifications to it because of the flywheel pin sticking in this plug. But anyway, it was a good challenge lock. It took me a while to learn the sequence on it. Once we got the sequence down, it was fine. Okay, thank you very much, Luke. I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble.